It's the story that keeps on giving. The jury for the civil trial over Gwyneth Paltrow's 2016 ski accident is set to begin deliberations today.
Yeah, so attorneys on both sides are going to be delivering closing arguments. You may recall, retired optometrist Terry Sanderson claims that the actress skied into him at a Utah resort and then skied away. He wants $300,000 for injuries he says he sustained. Paltrow, on the other hand, says Sanderson is the one who crashed into her. So she is countersuing for $1 as well as attorney fees.
CBS News correspondent Carter Evans joins us now from Los Angeles. Carter, one reason I enjoy coverage of this trial is because, let's say, ultimately it's about safety, right? When you ski, there are rules of the slope, and we should all be considerate of each other, right? I'm trying to extract some type of value for us all.
I feel like that's a lesson for just life in general. Let's be considerate to one another.
Well could be. So, and I know you're an active gentleman there in California. What do we expect to hear in these closing arguments today that's relevant for people?
Well, hopefully some people will be able to get some sort of relevance out of this, but the closing arguments are going to focus on what was said at the trial. And Terry Sanderson's attorneys are probably going to lean heavily on the person who claims to be the sole eyewitness to this accident. He is a friend of Terry Sanders, and he basically confirms Terry Sanders' story that Gwyneth Paltrow slammed into him. Now, what we're going to hear from Paltrow's attorneys are about the slew of experts they brought in to explain that any cognitive decline or change in his lifestyle or ability that occurred after the accident actually was in process long before the accident. And they pointed to several other health conditions that he has that could explain some of these problems that he's talking about. They also took a good look at his Facebook page, by the way, which showed that in the years since the accident, he's been traveling the world, smiling, looking like he's been having a good time. He said that those trips were therapeutic in nature and that the smiles were reflexive. He wasn't really happy.
There's lots of people who smile and aren't really happy on Instagram and Facebook, so that resonates, I guess. But Carter, as we're talking about Sanderson and Paltrow, in a case that happened 7 years ago, how are medical experts able to actually talk about a case when it wasn't a medical investigation that immediately took place?
Yeah. So, you know, they went back and analyzed years and years of medical records. This occurred 7 years ago. The lawsuit was brought a couple of years ago, so this has been under litigation for many years. They've had several experts. Paltrow's team has called in several experts, including traumatic brain injury experts, to talk about what could happen from the potential concussion that Sanderson could have suffered as a result of this incident. You know, incidentally, the person they brought on as a traumatic brain injury expert, and he is an expert, he suffered a stroke. Now, he is a very highly high ability person who is basically demonstrating, I think, to the jury here what this can look like when you've had a significant brain injury. This expert that they had on spoke very slowly. He had to choose his words carefully. He struggled a bit. This is after his brain injury, and I think, you know, this is probably not a coincidence that they chose this individual to speak on this subject.
Just fascinating, and we'll continue to watch. Carter Evans, always great to see you. Thanks very much.